Mastering maintenance scheduling systems. Get ready for a maintenance revolution in 6 months or else. How can we expect the implementation of the maintenance scheduling system to unfold, and what is the projected timeline and roadmap for achieving operational excellence in our maintenance operations? The implementation of the maintenance scheduling system is expected to unfold in a phased approach, with the following projected timeline and roadmap to achieve operational excellence in our maintenance operations. Phase 1, Assessment and Planning, weeks 1 to 4. Conduct a thorough assessment of current maintenance operations, identifying pain points and areas for improvement. Define project scope, goals, and key performance indicators, KPIs, for the implementation of the maintenance scheduling system. Develop a detailed project plan, including timelines, milestones, and resource allocation. Phase 2, System Configuration and Customization, weeks 5 to 12. Configure and customize the maintenance scheduling system to meet the specific needs of our maintenance operations. Develop and integrate workflows, processes, and procedures to ensure seamless integration with existing systems. Conduct unit testing and quality assurance to ensure system functionality and data integrity. Phase 3, Data Migration and Integration, weeks 13 to 18. Migrate existing data from legacy systems to the new maintenance scheduling system. Integrate with existing systems, such as CMMS, ERP, and other relevant systems. Conduct thorough testing and validation to ensure data accuracy and integrity. Phase 4, User Training and Adoption, weeks 19 to 24. Develop and deliver comprehensive training programs for maintenance personnel, supervisors, and managers. Conduct user acceptance testing, UAT, to ensure users are comfortable with the new system. Provide ongoing support and coaching to ensure successful adoption and utilization of the system. Phase 5, Go Live and Post-Implementation, after week 24. Go live with a maintenance scheduling system, replacing existing manual processes and systems. Provide ongoing maintenance and support to ensure system stability and performance. Continuously monitor and evaluate system performance, identifying areas for improvement and implementing changes as needed. Projected timeline. Phase 1, 4 weeks. Phase 2, 8 weeks. Phase 3, 6 weeks. Phase 4, 6 weeks. Phase 5, ongoing. Roadmap to achieving operational excellence. Month 1 to 3, implement and stabilize the maintenance scheduling system. Month 4 to 6, achieve 80% compliance with scheduled maintenance activities. Month 7 to 9, realize 10% reduction in maintenance downtime and costs. Month 10 to 12, achieve 90% compliance with scheduled maintenance activities and 20% reduction in maintenance downtime and costs. Beyond 12 months, continuously evaluate and improve the maintenance scheduling system to ensure ongoing operational excellence. By following this phased approach, we can expect to achieve operational excellence in our maintenance operations within 12 months, with a projected timeline of 24 weeks for implementation and 12 months for achieving the desired outcomes.